All right, AAA Pest Control. We're here today doing a tap. Tap is thermal acoustic pest control. It's insulation for your attic. We're running a hopper here, using our tap product. Protects against all pests. Yvonne is feeding the hopper, which in turn gets fed into the tube, which then goes up to the technician inside of the attic who is applying it, filling the attic up to a proper R value where you could save on your energy bill. Kind of hard to see in here. Look for Jonathan down at the end. He's down there applying it. Sometimes in these attics it can get really tight. To ensure proper depth of the product, evenly spread across the attic, you gotta like maneuver around real carefully. Alright, so part 2 of our tap installation here. We're gonna go and check on our technician up in the attic, see how the application is going as far as filling it up full of the tap product, and show you guys a little bit of how it's done. What it looked like before, what it looks like now. As you can see, it was pretty empty. He is filling her up. When it's empty like this, you get no insulation, your whole home. When you put an insulation in, it allows you to keep the heat in the winter, keep the cold out, and then in the summertime, keep the cold in, while protecting your home against